We are currently getting ready for a video game con up in Secaucus, New Jersey.
That's the name of the con?
That's the name of the con. And we gotta find our way in there, so I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, so we're like halfway through today. I am freezing. It is very cold in here.
It's a little chilly.
I don't know why they made it like iceberg degrees in here when it's been like iceberg degrees outside all week. But, you know.
It's been like almost 80 all week. That's not iceberg.
It's been iceberg.
It's been rainy though. We don't know if you can hear us.
Yeah, it's kind of loud.
There's, swing the camera so that they can maybe see. Well, that didn't work. But there's all sorts of video game doings over there.
Yeah, we got the free play arcade is literally like right there behind Karen. Karen is not the free play arcade. But it's kind of slow today. We expected it to be. It's not been bad. Some friends visited.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be slow. Little vendor tip for Artist Alley vendors out there. If the Artist Alley and the dealer's room are all mixed up together, so artists are vendors and dealers are vendors, don't do that.
Yeah.
It hurts artists, I think, but
It's okay. We're enjoying ourselves, just kind of messing around.
it's just because people don't know where to find you,
Yeah.
I think.
It's a little rough. But we're gonna, it's like 2 o'clock, we're here till 7. I'm hoping to get like a little tour a little bit later. Show floor is actually kind of small, but not in a bad way. So
I mean, it's a upgrade venue from where this con used to be.
if you guys see my video on this from 2 years ago, because we actually we didn't go last year. We had stuff going on. Sorry, my hand is falling asleep. But it's definitely an upgrade. I'm very cold, and I had a giant refillable weekend mug of birch beer. Okay, we gotta give a shout out to the Big Cup. So there are 2 different soda vendors here.
With big cups.
With big cups that you can just get all you can drink refills.
So you get a
day.
big, like,
A big cup.
it's a big cup. It's a
very
big
big cup.
aluminum steel kind of.
So the first time I got vanilla cream soda, and then the second time I got birch beer, and then this is orange soda.
Whoa! Don't fall in.
We're tired. Karen
I
is
slept
like,
in 2 days.
Karen's like the epitome
The
of
last time I
tired.
slept, it was Wednesday.
Oh, it's been a long day. We've been moving. We've been doing some stuff. Karen did some cool commissions actually.
Yeah.
You want to show that one off? She did a really cool D&D
I
commission.
drew someone's D&D character wrong.
I like that
Well,
one.
it's probably fine.
But yeah, so
I'm
hopefully,
getting like really game-based commissions.
yeah.
Like people ask me to interpret Magic the Gathering card art, which is really interesting.
That was cool.
And people with reference sheets for their
D&D characters. That was also cool. As you guys can see, I have sleeves now because Sarah's amazing. Yes, Sarah, LJ, you want to say hi? Hi. See how they have sleeves? It's pretty great. Also, look at Sarah's cool stuff. You can't really see LJ's cool stuff because it's like up front. There we go. Yay. All right, but
Okay,
Hello.
it is day 2. As you can see, we didn't really film much yesterday. And the reason for that is because, twofold. Fold the first, we were freaking exhausted.
I had not slept in 2 days.
As you guys can probably tell by that last little bit from yesterday. And thing the second, we were not slammed busy like we have been at other conventions. Like I wouldn't say it was like Zenkai Con.
Oh, no.
Or Anime Next even.
It's a totally different experience.
But we were doing stuff and didn't really have much of a chance to get up and really walk around.
Yeah.
It's a small convention.
Also, we're on an inside booth, so
Yeah.
we have to like get through other people's full displays to get out. And I really
it's a
don't.
little, yeah,
I
it's
don't
a
wanna
little
knock over.
cumbersome. But we're gonna try to get some more footage today. Obviously, I really want to get a good look at the arcade because their free
Yeah.
play arcade is super great here. That's actually one of the biggest draws in my opinion.
I would say so.
So-
they have games from all over the world.
Yeah, they've
So-
got Japanese cabinets, they've got American cabinets, they've got all kinds of stuff in between.
And they also have console free play too.
Yes.
So there's tons of gaming.
So this
There's
is
also
it's
like
really
a
cool.
tabletop room area set up now.
Yeah, they've got some stuff. It's really cool. So we're actually here a little early, so we're gonna head inside and see what we can do. And also, there's probably gonna be an unboxing today because, of course, there is. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
All
right, so-
welcome in the morning.
Yeah. Are we gonna film your? I want to see what it looks like turning this thing on.
I mean, it's not exciting.
I know it's not exciting, but it is exciting at the same time because it's like
Yeah.
I want to see.
Just open it. And then inside
Look, it's
there's
behind the
like-
scenes. Woo!
It's funny because
Fwam.
all of the instructions to turn it on are also in Japanese. Look inside. Like, just film. See, it's all in Japanese.
Oh man.
So, except for on
Guys,
off.
I've never seen the inside of an arcade cabinet before, so this is really cool to
I
me.
can show you the backside later.
Oh, sweet. So, oh, by the way, this Sarah's husband owns this DDR cabinet. It's their machine, which is why it's the coolest thing.
We're gonna buy something else next.
Yeah. Are you gonna buy that one in the corner over there? Because I saw Mike playing it for like 45 minutes.
No,
Um,
I think we're gonna try and buy a future TomTom, but they're
Ooh, fuck.
they're out of series, like they're discontinued. So.
Oh, so you gotta get like an old one.
Well, you gotta find one. So.
Double Dash! Double Dash was my shit. We would like to play.
What do you
All right,
wanna play?
I don't know.
Future TomTom.
Yeah, we'll play
You
Future
can back it
TomTom.
up and
Oh,
then-
shoot. Oh, this is the one that you really like.
Yeah, I love this game. And
Yeah.
then play Yubi. I think you'll like that one.
Okay, okay.
too. So, here, pause it.
All right.
Hi.
Hi, we're gonna play a game. Future TomTom. Except the song that I'm not gonna like absolutely crap at. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I know this song.
Yeah. Oh, it's a 2. We can do better than that.
That's okay.
We'll try again. Oh. No, you don't do anything. What do you want to be? What do you want to be?
I want to be the octopus.
Oh, okay. I'll be the other octopus. Oh, you fell. We'll have to do it again.
Oh well. Yay! We're good video games. This fell over.
We're gonna do that again.
Yeah.
Maybe put it in your boobs and show it that way.
Oh, I can do that.
It'll show up.
So we tried to film that and it fell over.
We played though.
Played though, we did really good. Like here, I'll show you. Look, it's like us. You can see us jamming. That was us. We did that. Look, we're like hardcore. Oh, look, it's like it's all. Yeah, it's like all of us. Look how good we are. We're like in a machine. Yay. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. Here.
Not like you beat. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You beat. No, say the bad word.
Okay. Oh, the weird cube things.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Okay, so we're gonna play some weird cube things. Give me a second.
And you can play Groove Coaster, but I am not
Oh.
good at Groove Coaster.
Okay. Oh, poppin' music. I know poppin' music.
I have Pop 'em at home.
What?
Built to Pop 'em.
What? Okay, so Jubeat. You beat. Oh yeah. Okay, I see it. Okay, so I don't know what this is.
Okay. So you beat. There's a million screens to skip.
Oh, that's that game I liked. Right next to us.
Yes. So basically, for this one, the screens are the keys, and basically you have to press where it says touch as the music goes.
Okay. I also like that there's like a penguin in it.
Yeah, there.
That's what you were talking about this morning, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yes, that's.
There's not supposed to be a penguin in it?
Because they don't. This thing doesn't do anything.
That one's got like a dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one.
That one's got a burger.
I'm down with burgers.
I am too. Fuck, I'm hungry.
Mike went for Dunkin' Donuts. You should have told me. Wait, call him. I'll call him.
Yeah.
Okay, so again.
I know this song.
That's why I picked it. Oh, I missed it.
This is really cool.
I messed up my combo.
No. Yay! We bought the box.
We have a problem.
We do have a problem, and every time I do this, we're gonna have a problem. But it's a good problem. So the company that had these guys, these were $40, and it's all Nintendo merch inside, which is something that we can both get behind.
I really hope everyone can hear you.
Yeah, we'll see.
Guys, there's a full arcade behind us and all of the noise of the usual dealer's room. Ooh, that guy in red passing by. He's in the video.
Oh, okay, so this turns into a handle.
Yeah, so you
Oh,
can carry it.
what? Okay, so it's not all Nintendo stuff. But the first thing we have is a
Oh,
Pac-Man
it's heat changing mug. I've seen those before. Those are
really
cool.
cool.
I know they work. That's
This is a fucking Game Boy shaped money box.
That's cool too.
This is really, and it's got like a little lenticular screen.
that's
So
awesome.
it's got, Mario, one of the Mario
That's so
games.
cool.
That's
this is
really
neat.
awesome.
There is a light up Mario charm.
Oh, that's cool.
This is really cool. I must have knocked it. We also have. It's like a candy.
We're gonna eat that.
Yeah, but it's not. It's that.
Oh,
So I guess, and
retro.
also I guess it's not entirely all. Because we also got the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Dorbs rides with Star-Lord.
Oh, that's actually relevant to your interests.
And it is
The last
exclusive
orbs
to
we
Marvel
got, you
Hardcore.
did not.
Yeah, the last Dorbs we got I didn't want, but I actually like this.
yeah.
So I'm on board with it.
Oh, it's a little dusty,
It's a little dusty,
but
that's okay.
that's how things end up in blind bags boxes
And
anyway.
we have, hang on, there's stuff stuck at the bottom here. There is a
Sticker.
sticker of an alien. I
That's
think
from the Mars, isn't it?
no, I think it's from Dragon Ball.
Oh, it's Dragon Ball.
There's also a Rick and Morty sticker, which
Someone else can have that.
I also have that one. I don't watch
I don't
that
want
show.
Rick and Morty.
Ah, hot damn! Look, let's just leave it somewhere.
And Karen, this one's for you. It is a fucking Hank Hill mini pin. This was awesome. This is a really good box.
I think this is our best value box ever.
Yeah. I'm really pleased. This is cool.
The Dorbs itself, I'm not sure how much it was, but
I'll look it up on Amazon and I'll pop it in.
yeah. The mug was definitely a good value.
Yeah, this is probably the best one we've had so far.
So, I mean, I always like what comes in these boxes. I've bought those boxes before. It's good. It's a good deal.
Cool.
Yeah, this is a good one, guys.
Fly back.
Peace out.
I am currently booth sitting for Sarah while she is like kicking ass in the Overwatch tournament. Like they're already in the semifinals. I'm genuinely very proud of her. However, since I am now sitting at the artist table, I figured I would draw some art. Would you guys like to see my art? Of course you would. Watch. Elyse is good at art. So first we have an octopus, then a flower, but it's happy. Then we have a flower, but it's sad. There is an alien bug man, a star, question mark, a skull, it's very spooky, but then there is another skull that is cute, but is it implausible? Then we have some Christmas trees. Then we have a Halloween tree, but just one though. Then we drew Sarah, and I drew me, and there's Karen. You can tell it's Karen because she got real long hair. And then I drew some art, and I also drew a dog. It's sticking its tongue out. I don't know if you can tell that. It's very abstract. You can see clearly the artistic skill has worn off on me, and if you guys would like any commissions, let me know in the comments and we'll work something out. Okay, cool. I am going to be watching Karen do something very silly. There is Karen with the silly. Leave the suitcase here.
Yeah, well, I was bringing it over. Okay.
Our car is like down there. Karen is going to
Walk down here with the chairs.
Oh, I thought you were just going to shove it down.
I can, but I don't want to get into anyone else's car. So I'm just going to walk down the stairs.
Fine. The video cannot describe how pretty the sky is right now. But I figured I'd just grab a little bit on the way home. This wasn't a fun convention, but a strange one. It is not really one meant for artists. This is one for people selling and playing video games, and that's great. I love that. I have so much fun with that. But it is not a place for us to play or for us to sell.
It can be very discouraging for artists who are used to either craft fairs or Artist Alley to try to sell at an event like this, because people aren't looking for commissions. They're not looking for posters and things like that and little like pins and stuff.
They're looking for video games to collect.
Yeah,
and
they're looking for
cool.
systems they don't have. They're looking for games in box they don't have, or a really good deal on a game out of a box or something that might be out of print and hard to get. Especially like the rarer and harder to get and longer out of print titles.
I mean, hell, I bought a copy of Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival for $1, and then I got the Digby what is it? Amiibo.
Digby was the Amiibo, right?
Yeah, I got the Amiibo for another $1, so I got the whole game for $2.
I personally didn't have anything invested in this con because a friend very generously gave me half of her booth because she realized that
she had too much space.
There was a lot of space and she wanted some help filling it. And she loves this con. She does great at this con.
Oh yeah.
And you saw Sarah. You know Sarah. She did great at this con, and she does great every year, and I want her to continue to go and do great. But it's just not, it's not for people who do Artist Alley usually, because there isn't a separate alley.
Yeah.
Maybe if there was a separate alley at a separate price point, it would be more worth the while of artists.
But as of right now, not so much. Will I be returning to it in the future? With Sarah? Sure. As an attendee? Possibly.
Oh, I would definitely go as an attendee. I would say that this is super fun.
Oh yeah, this is one of the most fun conventions we've ever done.
It's similar but different to TMG.
Yeah. Just good times overall. I think that's about it. I apologize for... I feel like lately my con vlogs have been a little abrupt because I haven't really had much time to do the con itself.
we're either super, super busy, which is great and fun, but we don't have a lot of time to vlog, or we have all the time in the world to vlog, but nothing to say because we're not busy.
Yeah. So just keep that in mind when watching this. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.